There are 4 connected car notifications. Car unexpected movement alarms. This notifies you when your vehicle is moved while the engine is off. Car event alerts, which identify potential maintenance needs including diagnostic issues, low vehicle battery, and malfunction alerts. Driver behavior alerts notify you about excessive speed, sudden acceleration, or hard braking. Car started alerts let you know whenever the vehicle's engine is turned on. Note that unexpected movement alarms and car event alerts are turned on by default. To set up connected car notifications, begin by logging into the mobile app. Tap the menu icon. Tap Notifications. If push notifications are not enabled, toggle them on now. Tap the Add button. Tap Use a template. Then locate Cars and tap More to expand. Tap to select your desired notification. Select which vehicles you want to include. Next, select whether this notification should be active at all times or for certain days and times only. If applicable, apply notification filtering to prevent unwanted alerts. Tap Add Recipient to choose who would receive the notification and how. We recommend using push notifications. That way, recipients can easily tap to open the connected car in the app for more options. Once you are finished adding recipients, tap Close to exit the address book. To finish, tap Save. From the Cars section of the app, you can further customize notifications by adjusting thresholds for speed, sudden braking, low fuel, and more. Tap the menu icon, tap Cars, followed by the Settings icon. Tap to select your vehicle. Tap Alert Settings. Use the sliders to configure alert settings according to your preferences. Then tap Save. If you have more than one connected car, repeat the process for each of your vehicles.